This is a 20 pack of satin scrunchies. I was sent a review from Wilbon store, so let me show you a closer look. You've got 5 scrunchies in each of 4 different color designs. They all have gold baseballs, and then you've got the blue scrunchie, hot pink, black, and white. They do fit comfortably around my wrist, so that is great for a scrunchie, very important. They are really stretchy. Really nice quality. I love the color options because you can just match whatever outfit you're wearing. These are really great for softball players or baseball lovers. Wear them to a game. Yes, so nice. Beautiful. I love that shiny satin look. The stitching and everything is really nice. So stretchy. Great as a gift, a stocking stuffer, a party goodie bag favor, rewards bucket at school or the dental office. I mean, sky's the limit for these. They are great scrunchies. Love the colors. I love them, and I know you will too.